Hi, my name is Daniel Flores. I'm an 18-year-old and currently attending Texas Academy of Biomedical Sciences High School, where we focus on science and math. One of the most important parts of understanding mathematics is comprehending the unit circle. That is why today I am going to demonstrate and hopefully help you learn a method to create the unit circle on your own. Alright, so the name of my topic, the unit circle, how to remember by Daniel Flores. Learning the unit circle and knowing the entire thing is the angles. Knowing the special angles that compose it is essential to completing the entire circle. There are four main angles which you should know, and they are 90 degrees, 180, 270, and 360. These are just the basic 90-degree angles, two 90-degree angles, three 90-degree angles, and four. And that completes the basic circle, which we should all know. However, these special angles in between the 90 degrees and the zero separately, which is why there is also special angles in between that you should know. In order to learn the entire circle, you basically only need to learn the first quadrant of it. Quadrants on a graph are labeled by the first, which is positive, positive, the second, which is negative, positive, the third, which is negative, negative, and the fourth, which is positive, negative. There are three main angles which you should know in the first quadrant that will help you complete the entire circle. The first one is 30 degrees, the second is 45, and then 60. And on the outside of the circle lies the 0-degree mark and the 90-degree mark, which complete the first quadrant of the circle. Basically here is just the three different types of angles, special angles, that are found in right angles on a triangle. These three angles basically just need to be memorized, and the rest of the circle will be easily manageable to complete. These angles you should basically know from geometry because they make up the right angles which have the special angles. Once you hit the first 90-degree mark, adding is just the next and final procedure to get all the angles within the circle. After you reach the 90-degree mark, all you basically do is add 30 degrees to it, add 45, and then add 60. That will get you all the way into the 180. And from there, you just continue adding 30, 45, and 60 to completely get into the 270. This procedure you continue throughout the entire circle all the way until 360. This is a basically easy step that can be proven really easily. Alright, so let's prove that fact for the second quadrant, which is right here. So what we're basically going to do is add 30 to 90, 45 to 90, 60 to 90, and that'll get us to the angle of 180. Alright, so let's look at this in the calculator. I've already done it, but here it is. Alright, so when you add 30 to 90, you're going to get 120. And then you add 45 to 90, and that's going to get you 135. And then you add 60 to 90, which is the last angle, which gets us 150. Alright, as some of you may have noticed, you can also do this backwards. You could have also subtracted 30 from 180, which gets you 150, and subtracted 45 from 180, which gets you 135, and subtracted 180 from 60, that gets you 120. But let's just add, which makes it easier.